The bike maker took advantage of the approaching Christmas to gift riders who plan to race Harleys next season the promise of cash through the 2024 contingency programs. In all, Harley has $570,000 to offer for the people and teams that will line up on the starting grid of just 3 competitions, namely the American Flat Track Series, the Mission Foods Super Hooligan, and Mission Foods King of the Baggers. In the American Flat Track Harley will support riders in the SuperTwins class, and it will offer qualified riders a total of $185,000. The company will award only the first 10 riders at the end of the 16 races of the series, with a $20,000 bonus for taking the championship. For the Super Hooligan, a racing series meant for race-prepped street bikes powered by engines larger than 750 cubic centimeters, Harley put aside a $123,000 cash contingency program that will be awarded to riders who finish 1 to 10 at the end of the 10 races. Here too a $20,000 bonus for taking the championship applies. Last on the list is the King of the Baggers competition, for which Harley pledged a total of $263,000. The money will be split just like in the 2 cases mentioned above, but this time the bonus for winning the championship is $35,000. This year's King of the Baggers has grown to an impressive 16 races, to be held over 8 doubleheaders in conjunction with the Moto America Superbike Series. The money Harley pumps into this series in 2024 is meant for privateer teams who run Harleys, as the factory will field its own racers on the track. In 2024 Harley will take a shot at the title once more with specially prepped Road Glide motorcycles rocking Screamin' Eagle Milwaukee 8 131 crate engines. The bikes will be equipped, as per the requirements of the competition, with stock frames, a fairing and a windscreen, and even saddlebags, because you can't have proper touring racing without those. On the backs of the 2 motorcycles will be riders Kyle Wyman and James Rispoli. Rispoli competed in the previous season for Vance and Hines, but for 2024 he has been brought on board to replace Travis Wyman. The 2024 King of the Baggers Series kicks off in Daytona in March, and it will then move to Michelin Raceway Road Atlanta, April, Road America, May, Brainerd International Raceway, June, WeatherTech Raceway Laguna Seca, July, and Mid-Ohio Sports Car Course, August. The last 2 races are planned in September at the Circuit of the Americas and New Jersey Motorsports Park.